Berkeley watching Berkeley. Berkeley, who's that on the computer?
Me.
You're probably, I don't know, a year. Are you going to talk to yourself? Say hi, Berkeley.
Hi, Berkeley.
It's me, Berkeley.
That's me, Berkeley.
How old are you now? 2? What's your favorite color? Pink's your favorite color?
Uh-huh.
Do you know how to write your name?
Uh-huh.
What hand do you use to write with? This one? So you just want to use my left hand. I'm just like my sister Zoe. Both my girls are probably going to be left-handed. That's crazy. What else?
This one.
That we already saw that one. What's your favorite book? What books do you like me to read to you? Are you trying to ignore me?
No.
Then why are you ignoring me? It's because you want to ignore me. I want to see your fluffy butt. There's your fluffy butt. Oh, look at it, so pretty. It's like your face. So pretty too. Can you sing a song for me?
So yummy.
What else do you want to sing?
Abby.
Sing it. Someday I'll be. Ew, you managed to get that open.
Mm-hmm.
Did you eat the wrapper?
Uh-huh.
You proud of that? What are those?
Gummy.
Gummy bears.
Gummy bears.
Yeah. Where's Drew right now?
He's at school.
Where's Zoe?
He's at school.
Where's Nolan?
He's at school.
Where's Jack?
He's at school.
Where's Lucas?
He's at school.
Where's Berkeley?
I have
Sing a song for me. Can you sing the ABCs?
A, B, C,
Sing them. A, B, C.
D, E, F, G,
Look at Mommy and sing them.
A, I, N, K, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
W. Could you finish the song?
Oh.
Oh my God. Who stopped singing the ABCs in the middle? You. What are you doing? Look at that rat's nest. It's like so smooth right here, and it's all animal-like. Can you give me a growl? Can you sing me another song? What about the wise man built his house upon the... The wise man built his house upon the...
Sand.
Sing the song for Mommy. Why not? You're so beautiful. Do you know you're the most prettiest, girliest girl in the world? And I love you for that. I love you, bird.
Love you too.
Okay, say bye.